finish the pod on a high, like a real high. Royal challenges Bangalore. We have Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, fantastic retention, and then Yash
Sorry,
Dayal.
which team? Which team?
Royal challenges Bangalore.
इनका 100
No, but
मिलियन
that's a
कुछ है ना
social media
फॉलोअर्स.
team, right? That's a
हाँ
social
वही
media.
उनका वही सबसे बड़ा जो 10
क्रिकेट में
मिलियन
कहाँ है
फॉलोअर्स है ना.
डिस्कशन उसका?
10 मिलियन.
But Patidar is a fantastic retention. मेरे को टेंशन हो रहा था कि कहीं these people just release ना कर दे उसको. He's a top class Indian player, and Virat Kohli no brainer. Looks like Virat Kohli is going to be captain. That's what at least the social media rounds are.
I predicted this last year only. जैसा वो last like second half of the season where he was leading the team, he was kind of motivating the players, the decision making also Faf को help कर रहा था. It looked like he wants it back. और ये साल हो ही रहा है वापस.
नहीं मेरा टीम नहीं है प्लीज. मेरा टीम होने के लिए कोहली नीड्स टू स्टार्ट प्लेइंग एंड स्टॉप एक्टिंग एज मतलब कि तीसरा चौथा पता नहीं कौन सा अनप्लेबल बॉल आ गया. एग्जैक्टली. एंड सी अगेन आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द नंबर्स कि इट डजंट मेक सेंस 18 करोड़ की जगह 21 करोड़ हो गया बिकॉज रजत पटीदार गॉट 11 करोड़ तो 14 करोड़ में से 3 करोड़ वहां रह गया. सी डॉक्टर हैज नॉट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इट राइट दैट वो उतना पे करना ही करना है. बट आई मीन कोहली easily could have taken 18 crores or 15 crores or 16 crores. I don't understand the point कि because रजत पटीदार 14 करोड़ का 11 करोड़ हो गया तो वो 3 करोड़ 18 करोड़ में ऐड करके विराट कोहली को दे दो. Why? You say ना that I cannot imagine myself playing for any other team.
Instagram पे followers बड़े हाइक बनता है.
I think that's a sham. You know all these statements loyalty etc etc etc. अगर loyalty है तो 21 see धोनी is playing at 4 crores right. That is loyalty. वो 4 करोड़ में खेल रहा है ना वो 20 करोड़ 15 करोड़ वाला बंदा. तो फिर आप 18 करोड़ का 21 करोड़ आई नो इट्स जस्ट 3 करोड़.
बॉल खेलेगा वो बॉल तो भी सारी बॉल ही खेलेगा.
एक पर बॉल 1 करोड़. That's crazy. But RCB I think deserve all the credit for screwing up the entire IPL last year. The fact that they agreed to take Cameron Green, which allowed Mumbai to get Hardik Pandya, which screwed GT as well, right? It's crazy. Thank God they will not be able to do the same issue or mistake again because Cam Green is I think out of the IPL this time. But I hope
confirm नहीं है.
ऑप्शन तक
yeah, I think there are rumors that he's out for a long time because with a back injury. This time I hope they go for good bowlers. I think Bolt or Stark is coming back for sure. Back I'm not sure, but Stark is coming back or Bolt, right? One of these two has to play for RCB, and I'm not really sure if
सकते थे ना सिराज को रिटेन कर सकते थे. I don't get like
नहीं. I think the day they retained Siraj over Chahal, I think वो दिन की गलती दोबारा नहीं हो सकती थी. मतलब they had to let go of Siraj. I think Siraj has not been that good for the last couple of seasons. But yes, I think अगर पटीदार को एक सेंचुरी के ऊपर 11 करोड़ पे ले सकते हैं तो they could have placed a bet over Siraj, but I think it might be an RTM option.
Even Will Jacks, I would say. Will Jacks भी ठीक ठाक.
Will Jacks has to be RTM. I mean, I can't believe why they didn't retain him.
15 करोड़ जाएगा Will Jacks. क्योंकि क्या है कि recency bias की वजह से ना he'll easily go for that money. I would love to see Rishabh Pant in RCB. Absolutely love. इसीलिए मुझे लग रहा था ना कि सिर्फ इसको रजत पाटीदार को भी नहीं रिटेन करना चाहिए था.
अरे हराकिरी होगा ये डीआरएस के चक्कर में. कोहली भी लेगा एक तरफ से अपना खुद का बर्न करेगा, पंत पीछे से हर डीआरएस के लिए जाएगा.
But to Dubeji's point, I think if RCB if they want to give themselves a chance to you know qualify or be the finals, I think they have to play like SRH. Every match they have to target at least 250 runs. उसके बिना नहीं चलने वाला है. And I hope I just pray to God that they somehow get Yuzvendra Chahal back. I think that was one of the shittiest decisions to let him go. अगर चहल इंटरव्यू में बोल रहा है that I didn't even get a phone call for retention, I think that is the Mike Hassan को इनको घर में घुस के मारना चाहिए. If Mike Hassan did not make a call to Chahal right during the last major auction, but somehow I feel that somehow they get Chahal back, and 2-3 hitters like Will Jacks or Phil Salt, and maybe Rabada for bowling. Let's see. Hopefully RCB does well this time.
Excellent.